So last month I had a YouTube video go viral and made $900 in 24 hours. I did this using a simple framework that has allowed me to generate 500 million views and $350,000 on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did to go viral and make $900 in 24 hours. In a second, I'm actually going to show you on screen how I go on social media and look for viral video ideas. So just before we get into the framework and the steps I actually took to go viral, I'm going to show you the actual videos in my account just to prove what I'm teaching you actually works. So this is the first video here, and this has got 664,000 views and made $903. And this video is how to make money with no followers in 2024. Now this is on one of my other accounts, a make money channel, personal finance and investing channel, and I'm just going to refresh the page here just to show that it's not BS. You can see here 664,000 views and $903. And if I click here, first 24 hours, in the first 24 hours, this video got 647,000 views and make $879. Now, this is a long form video. This is not a YouTube short. This is a long form video. Here's another video on one of my other channels, my MMA channel. Now, this video got 268,000 views and made $959. And again, I'm just going to click this here, the first 24 hours. It got 200,000 views and made $656. Now, both of these videos are actually from July, but just to prove this is not luck, I'm actually going to go further to some of my older videos when I actually went viral back in 2018. So this is a video on one of my other channels, and this video has got 10 million views. It's a long form video. It's 5 minutes and 41 seconds long. And this video is how to get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. And I'm just going to refresh the page to show it's not BS. And as you can see here, it's got 10 million views. Now my channel actually got demonetized when I posted this video, so I only made $5 out of this video. So yeah, this is an old video from 2018. You can see that there. And then another one of my videos, this is also from 2018 on one of my other channels as well, a YouTube education channel. This is an old channel and it's no longer active, but this video got 1.6 million views and made $612. And this video is 2 minutes and 15 seconds long. Let me just refresh the page as well just to show that's not BS. And as you can see there, 1.6 million views and $600. I just wanted to show you those videos to give you proof and show you that my viral framework actually works. Just to let you know, guys, I recently launched a brand new YouTube course for beginners called YouTube Kickstart. This course is specifically designed for beginners wanting to start a YouTube channel from scratch, get views and subscribers and get monetized. The course includes 14 lessons, video tutorials, templates for viral YouTube titles, descriptions and YouTube thumbnails, and everything you need to start a YouTube channel from scratch. Now, this course is actually valued at $649, but it's actually at a discount right now for $29. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can access the course and kickstart your YouTube journey right now. So now we're going to get into the actual funnel and the system I use to go viral on YouTube. And I'm going to show you step by step how I actually go on social media, find viral video ideas, make the videos and actually go viral on YouTube. In a second, I'm actually going to show you on screen how I go on social media and look for viral video ideas. I just want to show you a couple of mistakes that YouTubers make and why they never go viral on YouTube. So why you can't get views. And there's typically two main reasons. Number one, relying on hacks instead of facts. The viewers actually want your video. If not, how will you make money and go viral? So this mistake here, relying on hacks instead of facts, people tend to rely on hacks such as retention editing and all of these weird methods that these YouTube gurus are teaching, just trying to get people to click on their video and watch the video and go viral. But they never really consider if the viewers actually want to watch their videos and if the viewers are actually interested in their video in the first place. And the second mistake creators make is wrong tools. Getting 1,000 views is easy, just post anything. Getting 1 million views requires demand, and most don't understand it. And to understand the demand and actually know what viewers want and how to go viral, I actually have a system, a viral system, which I've been using since 2018. This is the viral YouTube funnel version 2, and I've been using this same system to go viral since 2018. And as you saw the videos that I showed you before, to get 10 million views, 1.6 million views, I've been using this exact system, and I'm going to show you this system so you can go viral on YouTube. So before you can make a viral video on YouTube, you need to understand this first step: demand. Is there a demand for your video? Will the content actually benefit the viewers? Is your idea unique compared to existing videos out there? So to find out if there is actually a demand for the video you want to create, and whether you have a chance of going viral, you need to validate your idea. So to go viral and get views, first you need to validate your idea. You need to know exactly what content, topics and trends people are searching for. You can find this data by analyzing social media on free analytics tools. Now, this is how you actually find viral video ideas on all of these platforms: YouTube, Twitter, Google Trends, Instagram, social media, free tools, vidIQ, and the world. And this is what I call the demand zone. This is how you actually find your ideas, those golden nuggets that can actually help you go viral on YouTube. In a second, I'm actually going to show you on screen how I go on social media and look for viral video ideas. But these are the platforms that I use: YouTube, Twitter, Google Trends, Instagram, social media, free tools, vidIQ, and the world. And once you found your viral video idea, all you need to do then is capitalize. Knowing what people want allows you to capitalize on that demand. Simply make videos to satisfy the demand. This is how you actually go viral on YouTube. So let's get into my actual system on screen, how I look for viral YouTube videos. So the first place that I generally tend to look is Twitter and Twitter Trends. And this is a very powerful tool when looking for viral YouTube videos, because it shows you what the world is thinking in real time. And if you know what people are thinking, you know exactly what videos to make and how to go viral on YouTube. So there's a ton of different topics that you can search here. You can look for you. This is trending topics that Twitter will recommend for you based on the accounts you're already following. You can also click trending and it will show you a ton of different video ideas here: news, sports, entertainment. But just for example, if I clicked here on trending, and I can scroll down and see all the different trending topics in the world right now, there's a lot of trends that are going on at the moment. One big one is the closing ceremony from the Olympics, Leicester Square. Now this topic has 161,000 tweets around this topic. So because this has got a lot of tweets, I would actually go on YouTube and try to validate that idea and see. So I'm not going to make a video about this topic, but obviously you can see on screen here 21 hours ago exactly why this is trending. I wouldn't make a video about this personally, but I know for a fact this is trending. But this is the most powerful tool you can use, and if you use this to search for trending topics within your niche, this is how you find viral video ideas. So another tool I would actually use to find viral video ideas and validate my viral ideas that I found on Twitter or YouTube is Google Trends. And what I would do is actually search the topic that I'm actually looking for, which, you know, we saw it was Leicester Square. I'm not going to cover a video about Leicester Square, but if you wanted to validate any particular idea, this is the process that I would use. This is how you find trending viral ideas. First of all, using Twitter, validating the idea on YouTube, and then finally validating the idea on Google Trends. So once you found a viral video idea that you think you want to go with, how would you actually capitalize on this and make a video about it? So I'm just going to go back to one of my recent videos on my MMA channel, which got 268,000 views and made $900 in 24 hours. This video is nothing special. This is literally just me on screen with a Google Doc behind me talking about this particular situation. Over Manel Cape at UFC 304, Dana White has released Makayev from the UFC with a Now, as you can see there, it's just me talking on screen. My head is at the bottom of the screen. It's a Google Doc. There is no editing in this video. It's very basic. It's very simple. There's nothing special about this video whatsoever. Despite that, it's got 268,000 views, 3.2k likes, and almost 2,000 comments. Now, the reason I'm showing you this, guys, is because often we see a lot of YouTube gurus trying to promote retention editing and all these special techniques and special tricks and hacks to try and get your viewers to click on your video, to keep them watching for longer, to make your video go viral, when in reality, most of those hacks and tricks are absolute bullshit. They don't work unless people actually want to watch your video. And that's why I'm showing you this video, because there is no special editing. This video went viral because I simply made a video that was in demand. I validated the ideas using the tools and platforms that I showed you, and then I capitalized on that by making a video. And this is simply how I went viral on YouTube. And I've been using this exact same framework, this same system, since 2018 to get 10 million views, 1.6 million views, 268,000 views, 647,000 views on different channels, using this exact same funnel that I've created back in 2018. And if you follow this same framework, guys, and if you choose video ideas based on demand, if you validate those ideas on the platforms and the tools that I showed you, and then you capitalize on that demand, you will go viral on YouTube, and there's no reason why you can't get the exact same results that I've achieved on my channel as well. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.